Alright guys, quick video of my old Timex alarm clock here. I want to show you the wake too. You got bells, chimes, cathedral. Oops. Yeah, this is kind of falling off, so let you hear it for just a minute. Chime. Oops, alarm set. So here we go. Let's just start out with everyone here. That's the bells. It's kind of there's the bells. Now you can gently turn it to chimes. One, chimes. There you go, and then cathedral. Cathedral. It's a little loud. It's really nice. Again. You got cathedral. Cathedral. Chimes. My favorite's the bell. Alright, there you go. Oh. Frogs. Ocean. Wind chimes. The ocean. Speaker's not working really good. It still works, but this is an old alarm clock. Alright guys, there y'all go. So there y'all go. Thanks for watching. Until then, that's my alarm clock, and that's it.